How to turn off message deliver tick mark on Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Click on the settings icon. Head towards the option of active status. Toggle off for this option so when you are active, click on turn off. Now open the conversation with this specific person for whom you want to hide seen messages. At the top, you will find the username. Click on it. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Under privacy and support, you will find the option of read receipts. Open this option. Toggle off for this option. Now this person won't be able to see when you have read their messages and you won't be able to see when they have read yours. Likewise, what you can do is click on this option of restrict. Restricting will move this chat out of sight and hide your activity. Click on restrict. Now even though if you view the message from that person, message delivered tick mark won't be enabled. So this is how you can turn off message delivered tick mark on Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.